3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Whitney.
Wow, hurry, blow that one up.
Happy birthday to you. Good save, good save. I've never been to a birthday that they blew out the candles before we finished singing. Awesome. Whitney, you did great.
The whole cake almost caught on fire.
Happy birthday, Whitney. Whitney, you were just in time. You blew it out.
Happy birthday.
Can I have one?
I want a picture.
Whitney, can we have one? Oh, you never gave me one. Yeah, I did.
Mike, get a photograph of her with a couple of the chefs.
Okay,